Okay, direction state. In exercise 45 through 48, find the equation for the A tangent and B normal to the curve at the indicated point. Well, in order to do this, we need to find two things. We need to be able to find the slope, and we need to find the point. Now, in this problem, they give us the point, 1, 2, and they give us the equation, which we can find the slope because slope means derivative, and so we shall do. Okay, so because I have x squared and y squared, I can't solve for y very well. I'm going to have to do so implicitly. So here goes. Okay. Derivative of x squared, it would be 2x dx. Derivative of 2y squared would be 4y dy. And the derivative of 9 is 0. Okay? So, if I move some stuff around here, I'm going to have 2x dx equal a negative 4y dy. And so if I get that dy dx that I'm seeking, I'm going to find that it's going to be 2x over a negative 4y, which is ultimately a negative x over 2y. Okay, so that's my slope. And if that's my slope, then I simply need to plug those values in order to find the slope at that point. So if I put 1 in for the x and 2 in for the y, I think I'm going to find my slope to be a negative 1/4. Okay. If that's the slope I'm after, now I just have to put that into the equation. Okay, first for the tangent line. If I want a tangent, I want that slope. So negative 1/4 times x minus, if I want the point 1, 2, it's going to be x minus 1 equals y minus 2. If instead I want the normal line, I'm going to want not a slope of negative 1/4, but the negative reciprocal, or 4 times the x minus 1 and y minus 2. That should be my answers. Over and out.